Hello everyone, this is some stuff I got from Amazon Prime Day. I got a dash cam because people around here drive crazy, and I want a peace of mind to say, hey, I got them on tape saying, hey, they're driving pretty bad, or on video here I should say. So I picked up this one. It was on sale. Don't remember the price, but there's hundreds of them that are super cheap. This one just had the most and best reviews. So it's the Ape Man C450 dash cam, 3-inch screen, 1080p, pretty small little box, but it has pretty good viewing angles. And it's made in China, but it's got the G sensor, so if we ever hit or anything like that, or if someone walks in front of the car or hits the car, it starts auto recording, so we can see what's going on just in case. These are all the features that are built into it. This is the one that had nighttime recording, everything. So like I said, it had the best reviews for the price. I think it was like $36. I don't even remember, but I haven't opened it yet. So let me check it out here. Let's see what we got here. Oh, it tells you hello. Just a lot of website information, and I don't know if it's going to focus on that or not because of the lid. Oh, there it is. Just tells you their website, support site, which for $30 you can't beat the price. It tells you what you need to do, and definitely get a memory card. I ended up buying a 32 gig SD card that was on sale for I think $9.99 during the Prime Day. So glad we got the wife to order that for me. This is just a very thick instruction manual. It's written in multiple languages. Just tells you how to hook it up, get it connected, and everything like that, which they're pretty self-explanatory. Let's take it out of the box here. Well, it's pretty small. It's like a very small digital camera. Put this off to the side. This is just like a real small digital camera. It has a little cover over the camera there. That's where the XD card goes in. It's very light. It probably weighs 6-7 ounces. There's your USB charger. That does not turn. There's audio in the front. Looks pretty neat for, like I said, less than $40. Let's see what else came in the box here. Looks like this is the permanent piece that mounts to the windshield, and you mount this in here. It slides in, and then you can leave it in your car permanently, but I'm going to take it out and put it in both cars. I don't feel like buying two of them just yet. This is the super short charge cord, so, or PC transfer card. We'll see what else is in the box here. Oh, this one's much longer. This is the cigarette lighter cord, which goes into obviously the cigarette lighter in your car. So it's definitely a much longer cord. Hopefully I can hide it and not be too noticeable. And this is probably the mount I will use the most, which is the suction mount. I'll test this one out here, see how well it holds up to multiple cars and the heat. Being in Wisconsin, it's not that hot, but when I go to Texas, it's going to get hot. There's one more item in here. Let me see. This looks like it's a little key retriever like you see on the old cell phones. Take out the SIM chips. Also, when I purchased it, it had universal dash cam mounts for this $6-7. So yeah, why not? Just to be on the safe side, in case it doesn't like sticking to the windshield. It'll stick to the rear of the mirror. Definitely helpful. So once I get some camera footage here, I'll definitely start uploading, because on the drive to work it's only 10 minutes, but 15 people might cut me off. So definitely we'll see some more video footage of that. I'll definitely try to get it uploaded as quickly as I can with time and work and kids and stuff like that. Okay, so I just unraveled the cigarette lighter cord, and it's over 6 feet long for sure, because it went over my wingspan. It also has a USB cord, so you can, I guess, dual charge this, run the camera as well as any other devices you may need to plug into the USB. So that's pretty convenient, but the cord is well over 6 feet long, probably 7-8 feet, closer to that versus the 6 feet. But it's definitely a great cable. So I'm gonna get it all set up, test it out. We'll see how it goes. Okay, so I'm testing out the suction cup. I have my Mac right here, the older Mac that I was working on earlier. The suction has a twist dial on it, so you twist it and it starts the suction and it gets tougher and tougher. It has a little lock icon and an unlock icon. I think you can see the unlock right there, but just picking up a computer, no problem. So it's got some pretty great suction there. And you unlock it, pull it, and it pops right off. So this is definitely going to be a good suction. So the computer via this little shorter USB cord that it came with. Let it charge up for a few hours, probably 2 hours. So let's turn it on and we'll see what's on there. You can really see my bald head there. Look at that. Ape Man. And it looks like it's got a little bit of night vision on because it's a little dark where it's aimed, but well, then again, it could be the glare on the computer screen, phone screen here. But see, it's got a battery charge. It doesn't last very long. I guess it's long enough just to record motion when someone drives by or bumps the car. So that's pretty neat. But it is a small battery in there, so that's not bad at all. See what these buttons here do. Up, down. That's the power button. Okay, I guess the menu. It just tells you how to format it, what kind of file size you're using, ISO, camera aperture style, stuff like that. It's not a touch screen, but it's definitely got some settings on there. Oh no. Well, reviews on the website on Amazon were that it only lasted 10 seconds with the battery, so it's definitely lasted longer than that, so that's not a bad deal. So this is definitely a good little, it's super light, so it won't put any weight on your windshield at all, and you can even hang it from the mirror with the kit just in case. But yeah, it's super light. I mean, it weighs less than half a pound altogether, so definitely good value for peace of mind as well as for safety. Once again, if you did like the video, definitely like and comment, and don't forget to subscribe. I will be uploading some videos of horrendous drivers that are up here once I get some, which won't take very long because they drive pretty bad up here. Thank you and have a good day.